Every gardener dreams of a thriving vegetable garden packed with lush greens, vibrant tomatoes, and crisp carrots. But if your plants aren't growing as expected, yellowing leaves, slow growth, or lackluster yields, the problem could be hiding beneath the soil. The secret? Understanding and controlling your soil's pH. Soil pH directly affects how well your vegetables absorb essential nutrients, and getting it right is the key to a truly productive garden. Today we'll dive deep into the world of soil pH, giving you practical, easy-to-follow solutions that will transform your vegetable patch into a powerhouse of growth. Why soil pH is the foundation of a healthy garden. Soil pH measures how acidic or alkaline your soil is, ranging from 0 to 14. Most vegetables flourish in slightly acidic to neutral soil, between 6.0 and 7.0. Outside of this range, nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium become locked in the soil, making them unavailable to your plants. You could add all the fertilizer in the world, but if your soil pH is off, your vegetables simply won't absorb the nutrients properly. The perfect pH for every vegetable. Different vegetables have different pH needs. Leafy greens such as lettuce, spinach, and Swiss chard do well between 6.0 and 7.0. Tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers thrive at 6.0 to 6.8. Root vegetables like carrots and potatoes prefer slightly more acidic soil, around 5.5 to 6.5. While beans and peas are happiest in neutral to slightly alkaline conditions between 6.5 and 7.5. Understanding these preferences allows you to tweak your soil for each plant, ensuring maximum health and productivity. Testing your soil's pH the right way. Before making any changes, you need to know where your soil stands. A digital pH meter or a pH test kit from your local garden center is the most reliable way to measure soil pH. Simply take a sample from different areas of your garden, mix with distilled water, and compare it to the test kit's color chart or digital reading. For a more in-depth analysis, send a sample to a local extension service. For a quick DIY test, use common household ingredients. Take 2 soil samples in separate containers. Pour vinegar on one. If it fizzes, your soil is alkaline. Add baking soda and water to the other. If it bubbles, your soil is acidic. While not as precise as a pH meter, this method gives you a general idea of your soil's condition. Adjusting your soil pH for perfect growing conditions. Fixing acidic soil, pH below 6. Acidic soil makes it difficult for plants to absorb key nutrients like phosphorus and calcium. If your soil pH is too low, adding agricultural lime is the best long-term solution. Dolomitic lime is ideal if your soil also needs magnesium, while calcitic lime is best for calcium-deficient soils. Apply it evenly across your garden and mix it into the top 6 to 8 inches of soil. Since lime works gradually, apply it a few months before planting for the best results. Wood ash is a quicker, more organic way to raise pH, but use it sparingly. Excessive amounts can push pH too high. Regularly adding compost also helps maintain a balanced pH while improving soil structure. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to Botanical Bliss for more expert gardening tips. Share this video with fellow gardeners and let's grow beautiful, bountiful gardens together.